intervention, divine intervention will know. Only in my...
I'm gonna bleach my head. I'm so shady. I sound real shady. I use these are just a minute. So I did a pretty good job. No toner. It's 1:07 in the morning, but we don't have any toilet paper, and I work at 6 a.m. And I tried going to sleep at like 11 and couldn't. So I think maybe it's just my stomach hurts. I'm trying to take a fat shit. So I had to go downstairs to do it. I don't know what my stomach hurts. But I wish it would stop. Yay! Snow.
His friends moved up, he hasn't tried coke, but he's always had a problem saying no. His older brother.
These are honeydews.
Sydney and Kirby are Barcelona and Kirby. I don't know if you were there when we discussed it. What's always on the other side?
Oh, at night?
And I fall through.
It's for my vlog, bruh. It's for my vlog.
Okay, man. I figured you do these.
Wait, I can't even see anything. Oh my god, that was a scary bro laugh. I'm terrified. Jesus.
Carson the bleachers.
Oh, I forgot Kristen is a sidewalk driver.
What house is this? This is a tiny house.
What house is this, Sydney?
The little one.
The one on the frat street?
Wait, is
yeah,
that the pony?
No, we're running to the gutter.
Yeah.
Oh, have I been to the...
Miles said
Part one.
something about the pony.
I mean, part
When I called him
one.
earlier, which I shouldn't have done.
Is that the one that Will and I went to?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't like that
The
house.
first Halloween.
Yeah, I know.
We don't like that one.
No, we don't.
Oh,
Good thing we're only going to be there for 30 minutes.
Yeah. Wait, right?
this
Like
is a good
only.
30-minute one.
Yeah.
Bye, we're staying for 30 minutes, Mama.
Okay.
Are we good to stay for 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Perfection.
What?
I leave my coat here.
No, you're fine. We're gonna be out there. I know it attracts you like a
Because for most of the stuff, I'm probably gonna
It's such a late rehearsal, and it starts at like.
It really sucks. I don't know why it's so late because besides like winter dance people, nobody's really in.
Well, I mean, like as a student, if you have a 9 a.m. and you're getting out of rehearsal at 11:30.
I know it's really hard. I'm sure that like you talk to people, like if you talk to like Reagan and stuff, they understand or she understands. And, like,
Yeah,
Paula,
that's true.
Like if you needed to leave early, maybe they could like fix the schedule so that you're not called that late.
Well, also, I feel like if you're understudy, you might have time to do some work behind the scenes. No. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's just tedious.
I really like Reagan though. Person, you have a card?
Jeremiah, look. Look outside. Jer Bear. A snowy, blowy Christmas. Jeremiah, you have to get up. It's a snowy, blowy Christmas. A snowy. Don't tell me now. That's what's happening. A snowy, blowy Christmas.
Yeah. Ah.
Love you, Jeremiah. All right. Mom. That's going to be optimal. And for us more adventurous kids, right next to the interstate is a giant, because it's the bridge.
The interstate, you said?
I don't know what it is. Whatever that main road is when you're going on the bridge. It's definitely not an interstate.
Oh, you mean that way?
Yeah, to
Oh, the highway, Kingsway, got you.
yeah. And if you
Are you saying right behind Dobbins?
it connects,
Mhm.
this is also like a large steep hill,
Okay.
but there's like a bank of snow at the bottom. So you're low-key crashing if you do it.
Okay. Okay.
But I still think it'd be fun to like get some videos of people doing it. Like, hell, I want to do that. It'd be fun. I'm not gonna like kill myself doing it.
Let me go get ready.
Best of the best season, I guess. Really debatable.
I think it has to be JT because
Wasn't he going to go?
This morning.
it's a gift. We should keep it.
It might be. We're trying to figure it out.
That's not
If
good, Mark.
this is no one from here, is then
No.
we're gonna move on.
All
right.
Have a nice day, Queen.
Someone left a unicorn on our doorstep.
It had to be you.
My favorite ones are the ones where
Bria,
they like
she's
curse.
gotta go.
This is exactly how it goes.
Bria, I just think it's about your time.
Yep. And then
Have like a Nordic alter ego name. If you're gonna do the accent every time.
I think that would be funny, but I don't have a. Come here.
That wasn't even a snowball, that hurt. That's a block of ice. Why is it so powdery?
Oh, sorry.
have a good little. He made a good little path for us.
What is the nickname that we gave?
Go Anakin! For the Scottish thing? Adelaide told me about it. Well, not the name, but.
That's awesome.
Oh, he's like a penguin. Oh, he nailed it too. What the fuck? That bitch is going in the road.
Keep going! No!
Go into the river.
I want to let you float.